You know the crunch, but you don't know the extreme bioengineering behind it. Let's rewind to where the magic actually begins.
Long before modern laboratories existed, nature perfected the art of transformation.
Deep in the villages of Indonesia, a biological miracle begins with a simple boil. For centuries, this delicate process relied entirely on human touch and the elements.
Wrapped in nature's packaging, the beans are left to ferment in the open air.
It was a masterpiece of local wisdom. But the world demands absolute consistency.
To share this superfood with the globe, tradition must meet precision. Welcome to the future of food safety. Where nature is engineered perfectly. Inside an ISO Class 7 cleanroom. No impurities, no variables, just absolute, controlled perfection. Every step inside this facility is strictly calculated and protected. Guided by relentless hygiene protocols to ensure zero contamination. We are scaling the wisdom of the forest into a marvel of modern industry. The air itself is scrubbed pure, removing every microscopic threat. Climate data is monitored in real time, matching nature's ideal conditions. This is the fortress, where the world's most advanced tempeh is born. Food-grade stainless steel ensures bacteria have absolutely nowhere to hide.
The environment is now sealed. The bioengineering can begin.
Every variable is locked in. The stage is set for pure transformation. Millions of premium soybeans arrive, but only the flawless will survive. The journey begins with high-speed material alignment. Infrared optical sensors scan every single bean in milliseconds. Defective beans and foreign objects are rejected instantly by targeted air jets. The dehulling process splits the beans, preparing them for fungal growth. Aerodynamic separation removes the skin weightlessly, leaving only the pure core. Sterilization in steam-jacketed kettles eliminates all wild bacteria. The beans are rapidly cooled on vibratory tracks in the temperature and exact target temperature. Thermal control is vital. Too hot, the spores die. Too cold, they sleep. 30 degrees Celsius, the perfect biological canvas. Automated inoculation evenly distributes the noble fungus spores. A microscopic union that will transform this crop into a superfood. The beans rest in the incubation chamber. The biology takes over.
Triggered by the perfect climate, life begins to aggressively expand.
The mycelium roots awaken, reaching out to consume the proteins. It weaves a biological matrix, binding the individual beans into one solid mass. This fierce biochemical reaction naturally generates its own intense heat.
In 48 hours, the transformation is complete and absolute.
Thousands of kilograms of pure plant protein, grown simultaneously. This is hygiene elevated to an art form. Zero human contact ensures zero contamination. The living blocks generate massive energy, visible only through thermal optics. The result is a flawless, structurally perfect block of superfood. A masterclass in texture, density, and absolute purity.
Ultrasonic blades slice the mass without crushing the delicate cellular structure.
Creating a perfectly uniform cross-section in every single piece. Vacuum sealing halts the fermentation, locking in the freshness instantly.
Ready to be shipped safely to kitchens around the world.
Every package is laser-coated for absolute global traceability. Untouched by human hands from start to finish. But the true test of this engineering is in the culinary transformation. (180 degrees Celsius of liquid heat. The moisture trapped by the mycelium reacts instantly. A microscopic symphony of rapid moisture release and texture hardening. The Maillard reaction caramelizes the proteins into a flawless, golden crust.
Delivering the ultimate structural crunch.
From local heritage to an engineered global masterpiece.
This is the pinnacle of food safety and quality.
A legacy protected by technology. But remember how it all begins.